This appeal pertains to the transfer matter, my lord. The petitioner is a lady, my lord, is a single teacher in the Missouri school, my lord. She has been transferred from one school to another school, my lord. A distance between both schools is 5 to 6 kilometers, my lord. But I am challenging that order on 2 counts, my lord.
कितनी कॉस्ट लगा के डिसमिस करेंगे?
Deeply obliged.
How much cost should we impose for dismissal of this appeal?
Why, my lord, cost?
5 kilometers distance he can't travel.
My submission is that, my lord. I have mentioned the proper, that is one ground of this petition, my lord, this appeal, my lord. Kindly appreciate my representation, my lord, which I have given in the first round of litigation, my lord. Page number 27 and 26 of the petition, my lord. Even there is the legal ground, there is the violation of the Right to Education Act, my lord.
Right to?
Education Act 2009, my lord. I have filed this.
That doesn't gel with us. It is for the teacher can't say that government does not have enough teachers. You are there to work. You can't travel 5 kilometers.
My submission is that. On that only my submission is that, my lord. There is the policy of the state government to after it will keep in mind at the time of transfer of the employee, school will not become a teacherless, my lord. The petitioner is a single teacher.
Mr. Pathak,
My lord.
we have not entertained that plea in transfer matters at all. It is for this, where they are sending you, there also there is a need for a teacher.
There is.
You can't say, यहाँ ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, वहाँ कम है. That's for them to decide. We are only entertaining transfer matters in exceptional cases of educational hardship of children or extreme medical grounds. You are transferred 5 kilometers away, you can't travel 5 kilometers.
Admittedly, there is. I want to withdraw and pursue the
Not a
petition.
ground.
My lord, recently I have under the treatment and I have uploaded the medical documents on reference, my lord, dated 10th of December, my lord.
You want order on medical or you want to withdraw?
I want to withdraw with pursue the representation, my lord.
No representation. 5 kilometers.
My lord, yeah. Actually,
Representation rejected. You transfer 5
actually,
kilometers.
अब उस पर थोड़ा सा निवेदन मैं ये करना चाह रहा हूँ. Even the authority have not considered the ground at the time of rejecting the representation.
What ground?
My lord, ये देखेंगे उन्होंने ये लिखा है.
Ground क्या है?
2 ही ग्राउंड है, my lord. पहला ये मेडिकल कंडीशन है.
मेडिकल कंडीशन 5 किलोमीटर में.
दूसरा ये है कि चूंकि पिटिशनर के हस्बैंड का भी एक्सीडेंट हुआ, नो वन विद हिम हर टू कैरी to approach another school, my lord. Actually, difficulties, I am praying for just a moment, my lord. The present,
Resign.
my lord.
Tender your resignation if you can't work.
My lord. Actually, 3 किलोमीटर प्रेजेंट प्लेस ऑफ पोस्टिंग है, अब 8-8.5 किलोमीटर हो जाएगा. That's why I am making.
आपका घर कितनी दूर है कोर्ट से?
कोर्ट से 6 किलोमीटर है, my lord. 6 किलोमीटर.
आपके घर के पास कोर्ट खोल देते हैं. What is this argument? 5 kilometers you can't travel.
I want to withdraw.
Learned counsel for the appellant seeks leave to withdraw the appeal. Appeal is dismissed as withdrawn.
Obliged.